Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get the most money possible? Hi, I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. When you walk up to your home, does it have great curb appeal, landscaping, beautiful flowers, plants, trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a full new exterior paint? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3Ds? Decluttered, depersonalized, and deep cleaned. And I mean really deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, cleaning up the landscaping, change out old light bulbs, and more. Does your front yard look like a landscaper was just there, but more like maybe a few months ago? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched the holes and painted the front door and trim? Water stains and stucco from sprinklers, or a home being dingy both inside and out with all the dust that we have here, it's not going to get you top dollar on the market. Do you have neutral carpets, and are they stain free? Or are they more like 10 years old and have been cleaned 15 times, but once it rains, because it will one day, and people walk over them a few times, well, the truth is going to come out about your carpet. This isn't going to cut it to get you cash raining down. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets the same as they were 15 years ago? Have they been painted at least, or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the ones in your area? You see, all these things matter. Now, this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my gosh, I am sure you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell in their home? Yeah, a smell. I know it kind of sounds gross, but it's true. For example, we love our pets. Bailey dog, it is a loyal sweetheart, but if I were to list my home, I'd have to Febreze like crazy. You see, pet accidents, and some of them are more on purposes, they happen. Even the cleanest of us aren't miracle workers on carpet and drywall. When I sell, I have to make sure to make changes, and even I'd have to pass the smell test. But what about cooking? You cook with spices that you're used to, but if someone else came over, it would kind of smell like a fish fry. Again, it's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to the competition? Everyone, including me, can get emotionally attached to their own home and their own taste. Formica countertops in a granite neighborhood, or that remodeled with mediocre quality standards, being mismatched flooring that looks great, but it's all different colors. Is this measuring up to your competition? Is your home fully staged with modern furniture that ensures it shows the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in the garage? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. When you look out the window, are you seeing your neighbor's unloved home that makes you kind of cringe every time you look in that direction? If that's a yes, believe it or not, all sorts of things matter to potential buyers. Are there dogs barking every time you go in your backyard? Is your neighbor's tree so far over your wall that you're afraid the retaining wall, heck, even your house, might get damaged in the next monsoon? So I challenge you, watch this again and scale your home from 1 to 10 on every one of these items mentioned. Anything under an 8 should be considered a weight on a scale that lowers the price you can sell your home for. Remember, you can take the time to make the changes yourself, or we can talk about other possible options. Either way, you'll have my word. I'll guide you to the most money possible. Either way, if I were going to sell my home right now, there's some parts that are updated, others that I'm gonna have changed one day soon, plus the dog smell. I'd have some work to do too. I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty, your dedicated home advocates.